Hey, what up everyone? Do an eBay box break 76, 11-12 Crown Royal. Here's your last team auctioned off. Good luck to everyone. See what we got. We got a base and in harm's way for the San Jose Sharks, Antiniemi. Nice for the New Jersey Devils, silhouette rookie auto of Adam Henrique. It's numbered 59 out of 99. Solid pull. Base. Here we got for the Dallas Stars Mythology jersey of Ed Belfour. And Ruby for the Predators of Shea Weber. Base, and the redemption. Decoy. And for the Colorado Avalanche, Ice Kings of Landeskog. Base. Alright, the redemption is for rookie royalty signatures, card 148. Card 148 for the Winnipeg Jets, Paul Postma. Alright, last pack. Base. Heirs to the Throne jersey, Aaron Palusha. And a rookie for the New York Rangers, Cam Talbot. Base. Well, congratulations to the Devils there. It's a solid card. Here it is. And hope to see you all next time. Take her easy.